So much for vlogging. Oh my gosh. So much for vlogging and lose all my fries. You guys. You see the things I go through for y'all? You guys, the things I do for vlogs. Trying to multitask and not have to be eating my fries off the floor.
Don't eat that. Don't eat that.
Baby said don't eat that. I can't eat that. It's too much here.
You want fries?
No.
Fries.
No. I'm just trying to pick them up from... Baby, no. Oh my gosh, you guys.
He was about to eat that.
If it didn't have any here. Qué bon. Baby said don't eat that. It's fine. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Tyler saying drive. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
W fish. What are you saying? You guys, we are all packed. You can see in the car? Packed. Packed. Oh my gosh.
Can't put anything else.
Nothing else. All because of one person. Tyler.
Not me.
Not I.
Him.
We said our goodbyes. I hurry up and go in the car because I didn't want to get sad leaving Mama. But we said our goodbyes, and I don't think Tyler realized that we're going home and he won't see his grandmother again until he probably reach home. Then he's gonna start asking for her and the dog. But we're actually sitting in McDonald's. I guess this is what they call mukbang, where you eat and talk. What?
McDonald's is fast food. You get food fast.
So we're sitting in McDonald's having breakfast, and then yeah, fries, and then we're going to stop by Babe Goddaughter real quick and then hit the highway and head home. Have a 2-hour drive to go home.
3 almost.
But they say almost 3, but I have to think 2 so it don't look too long.
She's gonna sleep.
Unless I'm gonna sleep leaving, maybe not, because I don't feel sleepy. So yeah, we're in 2018 official day. It's a brand new day, a brand new year, and I'm just taking in all the fresh scent of 2018 and all the blessings that it have to offer. I'm just gonna grab them like this.
The first food you eat in the year is McDonald's. Something's wrong.
What a shame.
When you're on a ward.
That's a shame.
When you're on the ward.
That's a shame. To say the first food we eat in 2018 is McDonald's. If Babe didn't say that, I would look at it that way. I wouldn't even think of it. But it's reality.
At least if we were living in Delaveaus, there would be no McDonald's. It would be close.
True. So yeah, we're just
but
here.
it's kind of empty. McDonald's is one of the years that they don't have much people.
You mean one of the day?
Yeah, one of the days, sorry.
Yeah, Tyler is eating McDonald's too. Let me show you guys the things of Tyler. Baby, in Tyler way.
Sorry.
Tyler, say hi, Faves. I'm eating McDonald's. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna eat and we're gonna take the road, so we catch you guys along our journey.
You're eating a sandwich? Eating fish sandwich? Hey guys, we are officially home, and you see this mess? Let me show you guys this mess in the living room. Yes, baby? Yeah, train. All this mess is in the living room because we just finished filming all the things that Tyler got for Christmas. So if you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. So we're basically going to just clean up all this mess, organize our living room, and we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. You guys, I think something finally came in the mail when we left, but I'm gonna pull this package and see what is in it. So we checked the mailbox and something finally came. I think it is the cereal, so let's see what is in it. Hopefully it is the cereal, because we're not expecting anything else, right, babe?
I'm not anything, but is your name on it, so
Yes.
maybe you have a gift from somebody.
Only Jamaican box and put glitter paper in it. So once newspaper is in it, you know it's a Jamaican product.
There's the apologize
Oh
paper.
please, I'm sure it's not. Blue Mountain Peak. I'm going to give them a very, very, very bad review, just so they know.
It's not the product that is bad of you, it's the carrier. Terrible.
Tana! Hey! Yes!
How many pack of that you have? Four
Four.
pack?
I
Then
ordered 4, so let me check.
it's 4 big pack.
Yes.
This is a lot.
Yes.
How long you can keep that? You can keep that from next Christmas?
I'm gonna tell you when the really? I'm gonna tell you when the expiry date is. Best before December 2019.
Yeah, you can keep that for next Christmas. So you
Who's gonna keep this until next Christmas?
at least you're sure you have one. You won't run after it.
No, I'm going to draw 2 packs tomorrow and then draw another 2 packs sometime else. But my package finally reached. Yes, baby? You finished the chocolate? You're hungry. You're gonna have dinner now, okay? Alright, you guys, so my story finally reached. Yeah, 1 week after Christmas. You guys, we came back just in time to see fireworks outside. Let's see if I can catch it. Fireworks! Wow! 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 That one is big. Pretty. There's always fireworks happening on New Year's Day, but we ain't gotta go nowhere. On the balcony is a perfect view. Whoa, baby, it's still going on. I'm actually zooming so you guys can see. The night life from our balcony is just so beautiful. So beautiful. Alright, you guys, that's a little taste of New Year's Day. Cute.
How do I look?
Cute.
Cute. I look better?
Hmm?
I look better like this?
Always.
Oui, lui ai-je dit. On fait des progrès, mais il y a encore du travail.
Look really good for number 6. Look here for number 6.
Look here, il est où le 6?
Yay!
Number 6.
Maman!
Combien de petits poissons verts?
Okay.
Compte.
Ask him the question.
Non.
5 quoi? Tell him that.
5 petits pois. Petits pois. Oui, petits pois.
Good night, night.
Allez, va mettre ça.
Put up your book. Go on, put up your book. Go on. Say night, night, Fibs. Tomorrow. Come give Mama a bisou. Yeah. Bisou, Maman. Bisou, Papa. The window is already closed.
Allez, va faire bisous à papa.
Go bisou, Papa.
Un
Go give Papa kisses.
bisous à
Go give
papa.
Papa kiss.
Give papa hug.
Night, night.
Mama,
Yes. Mama hug too? Oh, come give Mama hug. Mama get big hug. I love you. Watch Papa stealing the kiss. I love you. Hey guys, we're just coming on to end the vlog. We're just coming on to end today's vlog, and of course to give you guys the traditional way of ending the vlog. So we're going to jump in and give you guys the expressions, and the Jamaican expression for today is "Fall feed a yard easy fi catch."
Fall feed a yard, easy to catch.
Easy fi catch.
Easy fi catch. Fall fill.
Fall feed
Fall feed
a yard
a yard, easy fi
easy
catch.
fi catch. In English, it's simple saying that a chicken that eats at your house is easy to catch. Okay? So it's simply saying that, for example, if somebody do you wrong, don't worry about going after that person, because that person is going to find their way back to you for help one way or the other.
Okay.
See?
I can hear your grandma saying that when you're talking to her. She's talking with her friends in one from yard to the other yard. I feel easy to catch.
So there you go with the Jamaican expression. What's the French word expression for today?
Voir la vie en rose.
Voir la vie en rose.
Do you know what I mean?
See my life pink.
Yeah, to see life in pink.
Okay.
Voir la vie en rose. And you know what I mean?
To have a beautiful life.
Right. Not to have is like to see, yeah,
To dream
happiness.
of a beautiful.
Yeah, something. It's not to dream, it's
Okay.
like happiness. Voir la vie en rose, like you see the life in pink is like everything's nice, everything's great.
Yeah.
You see life in pink.
Voir la vie en rose.
Voir.
Voir.
If you
La
were Stella, you
vie.
would say voir. Voir la
Yes.
vie en rose.
Voir la vie en rose
Right.
for 2018.
Nice. 2018.
2018. Voir la vie en rose for 2018. I see my life of happiness for 2018. No?
That's what you see?
Yeah.
That's what you're gonna
That's
have?
what it's gonna be, my love.
Nice.
without a doubt, without question. I'm just so pumped and excited for 2018. Can you guys tell? Look at this. Look at this. I just feel that 2018 is my year. I feel like 2018 is our year. I just feel that this year is going to be great. It's gonna be awesome, and I declare it and I accept nothing else than greatness for this year. Anyway, you guys, high five to that, babe. Yes. Anyway, you guys, we're going to go ahead and tell you guys we love you. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's the first time you are watching. You know your girl love chit chatting with you guys, so make sure that you comment and turn on your notification. You guys, a lot of you guys saying that you're not seeing our videos. Please go back and check and make sure that that bell have 2 little stick, one at each side. When that happens, you know that you're gonna get your notification. If that doesn't happen, turn it off and turn it back on. You'll get your notification. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Bye.